5 reasons you go to work and it's not just for the paycheck. Work can suck sometimes, and sometimes we need this reminder. Number 1, most importantly, our work and our jobs gives us a sense of purpose. It gives us a reason to wake up every day, something to do with our lives. Number 2, our jobs gives us social engagement. Yeah, sure, I know some clients are awful, and I'm not saying that we're all family or any of that garbage that some CEOs like to say. No. But our jobs gives us a sense of community, especially when you like the people that you work with. Number 3, our jobs give us opportunities to grow and learn and change. We are provided many opportunities to develop personally and professionally, and humans are never more happy when they are challenged. Number 4, this one feels very obvious, but maybe you need the reminder. A great job or work contributes to society. Lastly, number 5, work and jobs gives us a sense of accomplishment and achievement. I don't think that you should take jobs just so it looks good for your boss and you're not doing things for these corporations where you work. No. That's the wrong perspective. I think you should be doing it for you as an investment in your resume. You know how they say do it for the plot? I would do it for your resume. You're investing in yourself. You're investing in your career. The more interesting projects you work on, the better companies you work at, will make you better. If you're struggling to see any of these 5 things in your current job, may I suggest it might be time to find a new position. You don't have a sense of purpose, if you're not engaged at work, if you don't like who you work with, if you're not challenged and you're not developing professionally, if you don't feel as though you're contributing to society and you don't feel as though you're achieving anything, might be time to go and look for a different career or a different job. Follow me for more tips, and you can get my book, Interviewology: The New Science of Interviewing.